Oh, on a hot day like this, I'm going to show you how to make my quick and easy, absolutely delicious Moroccan chicken. Perfect for a summer's day to have outside. Sprinkle some chicken with olive oil and rosemary and sea salt. Slice up some plums. Put them into a dish and add in some lovely honey. A really good sprinkle of cinnamon. Give that a whoosh round. And then we want some Ras El Hanout, which is a gorgeous blend of Moroccan spices, and some flaked almonds, and give it all a good coating so it's all juicy and gorgeous. Pop it in the oven and turn over your chicken. Once that's come out of the oven, pop it on top of your browned top of chicken breast and pop it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Just the quickest, easiest way of making the most spiced, honey, cinnamon, yummy, delicious chicken. Perfect for a summer's day to have outside.